Hello everyone, welcome to Move Well, Live Well. In this video, we're going to discuss how to stop using these and improve your vision. Let's get right into it, shall we? So, we get a number of people that come in here with issues regarding their eyesight. And over time, what's happening with these folks, they're losing the ability to see near. So they're starting to have to get reading glasses, and over time, even with the reading glasses, they're having to go in and get stronger and stronger prescriptions for their eyes because their ability to see near, their nearsighted vision is deteriorating. Their ability to accommodate, and that's what that's called, nearsighted vision, the ability for the lens to focus on things near is called accommodation. Now, what's going on with these folks? Why is this happening? Why are people, as they get older, losing the ability to see things near? Well, let's go into the anatomy real quick. Well, in your eye, there is what they call the ciliary body. And within the ciliary body, there are muscles, the ciliary muscles. And when the ciliary muscles contract, right? The ciliary muscles contract, it makes the lens of the eye bulge. It goes, makes it so it becomes thicker. So it makes the lens of the eye bulge, allowing you to see things near. So again, when you're looking at something close, the ciliary muscles contract, and then the lens bulges, goes, and allows you to see those things near. Now, so they're losing the ability for that accommodation to happen as they get older. Well, why? Well, think about it. Our whole lives now, we spend way too much time at our computers, at our little devices, our phones, our Game Boys. They don't have Game Boys anymore, do they? Those Nintendo games that they have, portable games. They're always on their device, looking at things close, reading, all those things at a computer for hours on end. Just think about it, 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week, on and on and on. Just do the math. And those muscles, the ciliary muscles of your eyes, are always having to be in a contracted position. So what happens? Over time, those ciliary muscles become fatigued and they're just not having the ability to contract anymore, and they fatigue, and then you start losing accommodation, losing the ability to see near. You become farsighted or hyperopia. So in other words, you can drive, looking at things far, you're fine, everything looks great, you can drive, you can do all those things, but when it comes to reading, you have to pull out the reading glasses and you have to wear those to assist you in seeing things near. Basically, they're just magnifying glasses. That's what those are. And so how do you fix that? How do you fix when you start losing the ability to see near? How do you fix that? Well, you got to turn off your device. You got to stop looking at things so closely for such long periods of time. So this is what you do. Go outside. Go outside, start looking at things far. Go for a walk. And instead of looking at something that's really, really close, look at things. Try to challenge yourself to look at things very, very far away. Like look at the clouds. When was the last time that you looked at clouds and played, what's that game where you look at the clouds and you see all the animals in it and stuff? When was the last time you did that? Go for a walk, look at the trees. Look at we live here in beautiful Grand Junction, Colorado. We got mountains, we got the mesa, we got the monument, we got the book cliffs, we're surrounded with nature here. So it's an awesome place to live and also to be able to look and see far. So when you look at something far, those ciliary muscles, instead of contracting, they relax. And as they relax, the lens also thins out, and your ability to see far, you can see far, no problem. So those ciliary muscles relax when you look at something far. So it's just as simple as that. If you are losing the ability to see things near as you get older, and you see it all the time, we get a number of people that come in here with this issue. Dr. Will, Dr. K, what's going on? I'm having to wear stronger and stronger prescription reading glasses as I get older. Before, I didn't even have to wear glasses. I had 20/20 vision. I had great and everything. And what we're finding is they sit and look at computers all day long. Something really close. You know, the computer, you know, is really, really close all day long. They're reading, they're on their devices, just like this. And then they're wondering why they're losing the ability to see near. Well, like we just talked about, that ciliary muscle, the ciliary body, the muscles within that, the ciliary muscles within the ciliary body, they contract, and it allows the lens to bulge. As the lens bulges, you can see near. But then over time, just think about it. Over time, that constant contraction of that ciliary muscles, they fatigue. And then you lose accommodation, nearsightedness. You have to start wearing reading glasses. So do that. Start looking at things far. Start with like 15 minutes a day. 15 minutes a day. Force yourself to look at stuff far. You know, go outside, go take a walk. You know, when you're walking your dog, or just take a walk by yourself for 15 minutes and just start looking at stuff far. Practice looking far. It'll help those muscles relax, gives them a break, and over time, it's almost like stretching. You're letting them relax. You're letting them kind of stretch in a way. So you're stretching those muscles in your eyeball. And that's one way to help improve your eyesight, thereby eliminating the need for reading glasses, or as far as eliminating the need for reading glasses and not having to go and get stronger and stronger prescriptions over time. So anyway, if you have any questions with this video, drop them off in the comment section below. We thank you for watching. We appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, hit subscribe. And when you hit subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification button, because that'll keep you in the loop to future videos here on this channel. That way you can continue to move well and live well. Also, I know you know folks that as they get older, they're starting to wear reading glasses, and they're having to get stronger and stronger prescriptions for their reading glasses. Show this to them. That way, they can practice getting those muscles to relax, and thereby eliminating the need, improving your eyesight, and eliminating the need for stronger and stronger prescription reading glasses. And also, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, lets us know you care. Anyway, we thank you for watching. We appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.